In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom templates in Tradingview. First, open your chart. Load the symbol you want to work with and make sure the chart is visible and responsive. This starting point matters because the template you save will reflect exactly which indicators you've added and how they're configured on this chart. Next, add your desired indicators to the chart. Common choices include moving averages, RSI, and whatever else you rely on. Use the Indicators menu to search and add them one by one. Place them where you prefer on the price pane or in separate panes so the layout matches your workflow. Think about what you check every day. Trend, momentum, volume, or volatility. Add only what you truly use to keep the template clean and fast. Now customize the settings. Open each indicator's settings panel and adjust inputs, colors, and styles until they're easy to read. For example, you might set a faster moving average to a bright thin line and a slower one to a thicker, contrasting color. For RSI, choose your preferred length and highlight overbought and oversold zones with subtle shading. Consistency is key. Pick a color scheme and line thickness that make instant sense to you across all charts. While you are here, confirm scales and visibility settings, so everything looks balanced without crowding the screen. When everything looks right, save the entire setup as a template. Click the Indicator Templates icon in the top toolbar. This button opens the place where Tradingview stores combinations of indicators and their exact configurations. It's helpful to know that indicator templates save indicators and their settings, not drawings or chart layouts, so they're perfect for recreating your technical study stack anywhere. Choose Save Indicator Template. Give it a clear, memorable name, something that tells you what's inside, like your indicator mix or trading style. You'll also see options to save the symbol or the interval with the template. If you include the symbol or interval, the template will recall that specific ticker or time frame when applied. If you leave those unchecked, the template stays flexible and can be used on any chart and time frame without switching away from what you are viewing. Pick what suits your routine, then confirm to save. That's it. Thanks for watching.